I almost lost my dream editor job when I had to move across the country with my fiance, but I was able to keep it. Thanks to this guy. Let me tell you about it. I really should take this plastic off. So while my fiance and I were living in Dallas, I was working as a video editor for a company, DHD Films. But my fiance got accepted to a residency in Kentucky. So I wanted to stay with her, but I didn't want to lose my job. So I needed to propose a solution to them that allowed me to work remotely, easily share files back and forth between team members, and then essentially be like I had never left the studio. Well, that's where ProMAX came in. We use ProMAX in our Dallas studio. That way all of our editors can edit off of one shared storage space. Well, ProMAX has recently introduced what they call the MediaHub, which is this guy. It's basically a small server that easily connects and syncs with another server in another location. Get out of here.
I heard you and I couldn't help it.
Once you have everything wired up, there will be some finessing necessary that ProMAX will take care of by remoting into your main server and your MediaHub to make sure they're talking to each other. But once that's all set up, that's basically it. ProMAX support has been a breeze through this thing. Shout out to Mike, because I answered all the questions I had while I was trying to figure out whether this is going to work for our company's workflow. So after working with this thing for a while, it has worked exactly as I had hoped. I've been easily able to send files to team members, and they have just as easily been able to export something, throw in the normal folder, the structure that it would, and it automatically come to me. No extra steps, just been really intuitive and has not interrupted our workflow at all. Good thing this thing has handles. So that's really all I can say about the MediaHub. While my desk may have changed, it does allow me to work remotely, just as if I was working in the studio. Now, if you'll excuse me, I can get back to editing. I gotta plug this thing back in.